Hi, I am Tomita from Japan. This presentation, co-authored with elementary school teacher Toshiki Yumine, will introduce a low-tech but innovative teaching tool. The diurnal motion of the sun and its change over the course of a year is a very important subject. This is what students learn in elementary school. However, it is not easy to get a concept. A model that shows the motion of the sun is helpful. The teacher training program of the NASE Network for Astronomy School Education has developed a very effective papercraft teaching tool that demonstrates the motion of the sun. Yumine sensei reviewed NASE's solar demonstrator as an equatorial mount with indications for the sun's declination over the course of a year. He attached a flashlight to it so that he could explain the movement of the sun according to the season using the movement of the light projected on the classroom wall. This is how to make it. First, make the arm part of the NASE's solar demonstrator. It is very useful because the declination of the sun's position for each month is written here. Next, prepare 2 rolls of kitchen paper. The roll to be fitted inside should be longer. Make sure that the arm can rotate freely around this roll. Next, make a tilt corresponding to the equatorial axis. Considering the elementary school where Yumine sensei works, cut a milk carton diagonally so that the inclination is 35° north latitude. Place the roll with the arm on this milk carton stand. Finally, attach a flashlight with magic tape Velcro to the location of the month you want to demonstrate. See how it works. The students noticed the following. The location of sunrise and sunset are different depending on the season. In summer, the days are certainly longer. I was able to confirm this once again. In winter, the altitude of the sun is so low. Also, the sun's rays are at an angle, so in winter, the sunshine comes through the windows well. In summer, near the time of sunrise and sunset, the northern wall is also exposed to the sunlight.